Got to give the people what they want. All right, y'all. Let's do a quick test review. Get y'all ready for this one. This should be easy for one you all. I think you got this. Y'all have been killing it. I think you're going to do great. 4.2 test review. Why don't you do this first problem? Draw it. Do it. Cool. You did it. So you were like, all right, well, let's see. So, Toa. Find the 6 trig functions. So I'm going to remember that this goes cosine, sine. And I'm going to remember that tangent is y over x, which is sine over cosine. So I'm going to remember all that to begin with. All right. So I'm going to be like, okay, well, for this point, sine is -5 over 13. Cosine, which is x, is 12 over 13. Tangent, which is y over x, which is sine over cosine, is -5 over 13 over 12 over 13, which is -5 over 13 divided by 12 over 13, which is -5 over 13 times 13 over 12. Cancel, cancel. -5 over 12 is tangent. Now, cotangent is the reciprocal. 12 over 5 is the reciprocal of tangent. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, which is -13 over 5. And secant is the reciprocal of cosine, which is 13 over 12. Boom, you did that. All right, next piece. Find the coordinates of number 1 and number 2 using your unit circle. Cool, you did that. That should be easy. So let's do number 1, -4/3. So if I look at my unit circle, -4/3. Now it says negative, so I got to go in the negative direction. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go -1/3, -2/3, -3/3, -4/3, right? So I end up with -1 and √3 over 2, right? So let's go back. I have the coordinates of -1, √3 over 2. Okay? 5, 6. Let's see if I can find 5, 6. Oh, it's not -1. It was -1/2. My bad, y'all. -1/2. Not 1. -1/2. Okay. So let's go ahead and do 5 over 6. 5 pi over 6. Here's a pi over 6, but I think 5 pi over 6 is one of my spots. Oh, there it is, right there. 5 pi over 6, and if I would have counted it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Takes me to the same spot. And that one is, boom, boom, if I erase that. That one is -√3 over 2 and 1/2. So let's go back over. It's going to be -√3 over 2 and 1/2. Man, this is easy work. All right. Find the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of pi over 6. Cool. You just did that. Sine, cosine, tangent of pi over 6. Well, let me start off by getting the coordinates. Ooh, excuse me, that says -pi over 6. So let's get those coordinates. Well, -pi over 6 is going to be right here. It's -1/6. So that's √3 over 2, comma, -1/2. So this is √3 over 2 and -1/2. So we know that again, this is cosine, this is sine. So the sine, negative 1/2 cosine root 3 over 2. And tangent, what is tangent? Oh, tangent was sine over cosine. So the tangent says sine, negative 1/2 divided by cosine, negative 3 over 2, which equals negative 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2, which equals negative 1/2 times 2 over root 3, cancel, cancel, negative 1 over root 3. We have to simplify that, so we're going to times root 3 over root 3, and we get negative root 3 over 3. That's going to be your tangent. Boom. I'm going to erase all that so you can find me the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of number 4, 19 pi over 6. Go ahead and do that. Cool. You did it. So now I got to do, what is it, 19 pi over 6's? Get rid of all this stuff. See what it's going to let me get rid of. 19 pi over 6. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. 19 pi over 6. That's a lot of pi over 6's. So was it negative or positive? Positive. So here is 1 pi over 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Negative 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. This is what I'm looking at. Right? So this is negative 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. And finally, I'm thinking sine, well, cosine, sine. So sine is negative root 3 over 2. Cosine, negative 1/2. Tangent, I'm going to let you do the math to figure it out, but it looks just like we did on the last one, which you wouldn't have erased. All right, that's your review. Get ready for this test. Y'all got to kill this one. You killed the last one, and you killed the last one before that, I think. We're just doing our thing. Bass, I'm out.